So my name's Taylor Berry. I'm 17 years old. I'm working for Brandauer and I'm an apprentice toolmaker. So mainly here in the factory, it's maintenance. So if a tool comes out of the press for a specific reason, then I'm here to, set the tool right, regrind any tool parts if needed, and replace any broken bits. Then once it's made, it will go back into the press and complete the production. So my aim is to progress into the director role, but to get there I need to, get my HNCs, various degrees, and work my way up the business. So here I'm getting job security is a big factor here. I know once I've done my apprenticeship, I'm guaranteed a job here. And I feel like knowing that, I can work harder towards the end goal and maybe progress a little bit more. So if anyone was asking, I would say that it's one of the best options you've got. I mean, stress-free, practically. Debt-free, unlike unis and colleges. And you're guaranteed a job at the end of it, which you're getting paid to do as well. So getting paid to do education, I feel like it's a bit better than being in debt, going to uni and stuff like that. So I know multiple ways you can either message a training provider, email, phone call, they'll get you in touch with a company, or you can go straight to a company, provide them your CV, get in touch, come in for an interview, and yeah, it goes from there. So the apprenticeship has impacted me because it's given me the opportunity to rise above school antics, come into the real world, and that comes with a lot of responsibility. And I feel like that move really brings you into the real world. I feel like if you're going for an apprenticeship, it's the best thing to do. It's quite educational, and at the end of the day, you're getting paid for it. So for people in school, I feel like this is the best transition.